Who's driving?
They're over there. We're just some of the people they almost hit. Like
Okay.
this little girl.
Okay, what happened?
I'm not sure. I was the driver, and they kind of stopped us, and they said that we almost hit a child. I didn't think that we did, but that's what they told us.
Any unit on the reckless driver on Smyrna Dunes?
Yeah, well, the people are down here because you can't drive on this part of the beach.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna, and we got over here, and we were just trying to turn around. We didn't think that we could do a U-turn around here, so we were just trying to keep going.
Let me go look in the car real quick. Do you have your license on you?
Yes, I do. It's in my phone, but it's in the car.
I would get your phone out of there. Your car's not going to be moving for a while.
Okay, can I get it?
Yeah, go get your license and your phone. She's going to go to jail. Okay?
No.
All right, so you can go with her, or you can stay out and get her out of jail with a bond.
And why am I going to jail?
So right now, I think you're driving under the influence.
Okay.
All right?
No.
Then we got reckless with multiple people over here. You were inches away from multiple people. Okay?
I can't have her.
So go ahead and turn around for me. Something like that.
Oh my God. Please.
Yes. Sorry.
What do I do now?
Call the Volusia County Branch Jail to get her bond. No, she'll have a bond.
Thanks for watching Police It. Check out our other videos in our channel, like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it.